This video shows you how to navigate through our State of Mass Timber interactive map and how to access all the information and data it contains. We'll start by showing you the different features and then walk through examples to show you how to get specific project details and more. Let's start from a Canada-wide view. As you can see here, we have a visual representation of the entire map, which features over 700 mass timber projects across Canada, 20 manufacturing facilities, and a bar graph showing building occupancy or use for all the projects in the database. You can scroll through the various bar graphs by selecting the tabs below. Below the number of projects, there is a list of all the project names within Canada to view. If you click on the project from the list, it will show you where it is on the map. If you want to get a better view of the project name list, you can click the arrows located right here. This allows you to have a better scrolling experience with a larger image. The same goes for the image of the map, the bar graphs below, and the manufacturing facilities by production capacity fields. If you want to go back to the main mapping area, click the arrows in the top right corner and it will take you back to the main area. Now, let's look at the tabs at the top of the screen. At the very top is the Province and Territories filter field, which is automatically set to Canada, meaning that it shows all the mass timber projects within the country. For example, let's say you're curious about mass timber projects in British Columbia. When you select the province, you can see all the fields change as well as the project's number. In addition, the manufacturing facilities by production capacity, and the bar graphs below will change according to the province selected. In this case, it is only showing British Columbia data. If you decide you want to look at a project in a different province, make sure you unselect the current fields by clicking British Columbia again and ensure the color is white and not blue. The same goes when selecting the project category fields on the left, project names, and manufacturing facility names. On the left side, we have our project categories fields where you can filter out projects based on their occupancy or use, ownership type, the height, surface area, construction year, and status. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll down to view other categories below. Also, when you select a project category filter, it instantly changes the bar graphs below and the number of projects within the project directory. For example, if you were to select industrial for the occupancy and use, you can see that it now only shows the number of projects that fall under the industrial category. If you were to add another field such as ownership type and select private, the same fields will change and it will show you how many mass timber buildings are industrial and privately owned. Next, on the right side, we have the number and names of the manufacturing facilities in Canada. In addition, we have the manufacturing facilities by production capacity and by province and territory within a donut chart. If you were to click on one of the facilities, for example, Nordique Structures, this box provides information regarding this facility and a link to its website. You can better view the location by zooming in and out of the map by using the plus and minus buttons located here. If you want to go back to the original view of the map, click on the home button icon located on the top right of the map. Let's do a quick example of drilling down to get specific data using the project categories field. Let's say you want to know of any projects that are 5 to 7 stories built between 2016 and 2018. To start, you would navigate to the project categories on the left side of the page. Next, you would select 5 to 7 stories. Then scroll down to construction year and select 2016 to 2018. As you can see here, 9 projects pop up under the project directory. To be more specific, if you want to filter by province and you are interested in projects in Alberta, select the Alberta province field at the top. Then you'll see that the Westman Village mid-rise calligraphy building shows up. You can view the project's location on the map and within the bar graph below. If you're looking for a specific project and you notice that it's missing, or if you know of any mass timber projects that are currently being built or planned, contact us through the GC Wood inbox via email located on the bottom left corner. And there you have it. You have all the basics you need to explore the State of Mass Timber interactive map to its full potential. We hope you enjoy the State of Mass Timber map and database.